Welcome listeners. We have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our children. Today, on World Environmental Health Day, we are conducting a panel discussion. Today we have with us Ananya Singh, Nidesh Srivastav and Yashi Dhingra. So, I'll be asking you a few questions. Starting with Yashi, what do you think is the effect of climate change on health?
So climate change can affect our health in adverse ways. One of them is vector-borne diseases. So climate change causes increase in number of vectors in the society, like mosquitoes and cockroaches, which can lead to diseases like dengue, malaria, which can even be life-threatening. So we can prevent it by using repellents, not staying near places where there is storage of water. Also increase in heat related diseases. So climate change can cause diseases like heat strokes, which can be threatening. So we can prevent it by being hydrated, also staying in places where there's cool temperature and not doing prolonged exercises in excessive heat.
Indeed, we all are suffering from this. I too suffered from a heat stroke last summer. So, everyone should stay informed on this and prevent themselves. So, my next question is for Nidesh. What do you think is the relation between environmental conditions like climate change and health conditions like asthma, allergies, etc.?
So in my opinion, the environmental conditions that correlates with this asthma and allergies is like four major things: deforestation, wildfires, or pollution, many types of pollution. So what I think is the ashes that is produced by the wildfires affect the large amount of people around the world.
True.
So many people in result have difficulty in breathing or asthma. So it is very deadly, we all know that. And due to pollutions, many localities or many areas are fully contaminated. Like in Delhi, we have a garbage pipe. So in locality there, it is very worse or bad. So many allergies or allergens get reproduced there or affect the area totally.
Indeed, the air quality keeps worsening every day and making allergies worse for people. Absolutely. Due to increasing air pollution, the air quality keeps on worsening day by day and making it hard for people with asthma and worsening their allergies. So my next question is for Ananya. What do you think individuals can do in their daily life? What small steps can they take to promote better environmental conditions?
I think individuals can reduce waste, plant trees, use public transport, conserve energy, and also support eco-friendly products to promote an healthy environmental condition.
Absolutely. Thank you for being with us today. I really hope this session proves to be informative for our audience, and I really hope we as a generation will be able to protect our Mother Earth and keep these growing environmental issues in check. Let this Environmental Day serve as a reminder for taking care of our Mother Earth. Thank you.